All right, Sedge, so we get the little bit of fuzz in here. How do we get that out of there?
Okay, so why do we have that fuzz?
Probably because I did that?
No, sometimes it's caused a couple of things. But I would say on this, it's because the bit wasn't brand new, it wasn't sharp.
Okay.
What we would like. It's a solid carbide up spiral. Or it's your feed rate, you're going too fast.
Okay.
Okay. So what I like to do is I like to take this. This is a piece of Granat sandpaper, but it's got the sponge on the back.
Oh.
Okay. So what I do is I fold it, and it automatically goes in that groove. And this is what I do. I go like this. It's gone. It's like magic. And I just take it like this, and it takes any kind of residual, as I call it, fuzz out of the groove.
Oh, wow.
So I'll have you do the rest of these. And the other nice thing about this paper is a lot of people don't know this. When I'm sanding, and you're always gonna get to do some stuff with hand sanding. Remember how we did it with when we repaired that bench?
Yeah.
Okay. But the nice thing about this paper is, you see the back of the sponge? You see that right there? You have to, before you, remember I showed you before you have to tack it off? This becomes an initial tack cloth, and hopefully the camera can get that, but it picks it up like that.
Nice.
Okay? So it's a really nice system of paper.
Perfect.